What's good, guys? It's Combat here at Infinite Rhythm Productions, and it's the official tutorial for the free Logic Pro X clear vocal presets compatible with Waves Gold bundle. Let's get straight into it. Alright, so when you download your zip folder, you're going to get this folder right here. You're going to open it up, and you guys are going to see two files. You're guys going to see this README manual. It comes with a little discount, a free key finder, free wave to MP3, as well as the YouTube link. We got it right here. And then you guys will see the preset and template. Now, the first thing I want to bring up to you guys is that this is not a tutorial on how to EQ vocals, how to compress vocals, and all the other stuff. This is just a tutorial on how to maneuver around this preset and template. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to double click this. Boom, boom. All right, it's going to open up and you guys are going to see your completely free template. As you guys see, we have our beat track right here where you guys bring in your beat. We have a recording track right here where you guys record your tracks and then later place them into the lead verse tracks to double the ad libs. We have the hook to double the ad libs. And as I hit X on the keyboard, you guys can see we have each one of these tracks all plugged out with some of the dopest plugins from Waves Gold bundle, as well as Logic Pro stock plugins. You guys can see right here, and I even gave you guys a free complimentary master. So I have a cool little compressor here with the L1 Ultra Maximizer, just making sure that everything is just a-okay for you guys. You feel me? So when you guys open this up, the first thing you guys are going to want to do after opening any of these up is you guys are going to want to do a save as, and we're going to do it to our desktop right here, and I'm just going to go example 1. Now, the reason that we have to save as every time we open up this template is if we were to save, let's say we did a whole song right now and we saved it onto before doing the save as, the whole song will be saved on that template. So you won't be able to open up a new template anymore. So this way it will help preserve the old template, because every time you open and you save as, you'll keep creating new tracks while leaving and preserving the old template. And the next thing we're going to do is we want to go up into Logic Pro X. We're going to go preferences, and then we want to go into audio. Now in here, you just want to make sure your output and input device looks right. It looks like the interface that you guys have, whether it's a Scarlett, whether it's an Apollo, whatever it is. And now I want to talk about latency in recording. So latency, if you guys don't know what it is, it's, let's say I'm recording the mic right now and I'm hearing like a second or two delay in the headphones. So every time I talk, I'm hearing talk like 2 seconds after my headphones. You guys can see how that could really mess you up if you guys are rapping or singing on the track and you're just hearing it back like that. A good way to fix that is usually checking your buffer size. If your buffer size is anywhere from like up to 512 or 1024, that might be the reason. You just want to lower it down to around 64 or 128. That would definitely help you guys out right there. Another thing that might cause latency is your master channel. If you guys have these activated right here, that could cause that as well. So make sure you guys deactivate that. And another way you guys could also fix your latency, I just want to give you guys as many tools as you guys can get, is you guys should go to record up here and hit low latency mode. That is going to help with the recordings as well. Just give you guys a more fine-tuned recording from the microphone to the headphones. All right, awesome. So now let me show you guys an example of these presets. I'm going to bring up some BFC stems. His name is BFC D-Boy. He is a fire-ass rapper out here in Antioch. You guys got to check him out. I'm going to bring up the beat right here, and you guys are going to do just this. You guys see how I just dragged up the beat? You guys do that. Super easy. The first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to find the BPM of the track. Luckily, I actually have a BPM counter that's stock to Logic Pro X, and I put that right on the channel so we could just find that. Perfect. As you guys can see, it was said 95. So we just go up over here to the tempo and we click 90 or type in 95. Hit enter. Awesome. So now we're at 95 tempo. And then we're going to drag in the vocals. Let me see. So we're just dragging the vocals. I'm going to drag it into the recording track, just like he just recorded at home. He would record right there on the recording track, and you guys hear these vocals dry, just like before any of the effects.
Keep it on my waistline. I really had to take it, it's like he tried to take mine. They say the hustle always outweigh the shine. That's why I'm always in the...
All right, awesome. So now, just like you guys recorded at home, we're just going to drag this down. Now let's hear that.
For me in the daytime, like a belt, cause I keep it on my waistline. I really had to take his life, he tried to take mine. They say the hustle all.
All right, awesome. It's doing exactly what's intended. Give you those clear vocals. All right, cool. Now let's say you guys are like punching in. You guys are punching rappers. You guys like to, do 4 bars and then punch in another 4 bars and punch in another 4. You know what I'm saying? All you have to do that is you just click the track right here and you just hit Command D. That's it. And then now let's say you record here, you want to drag here, you record here, you want to drag here, record here, you want to hit. It doesn't matter. They're both at the same level. They have all the same plugins, all that good stuff. And last thing we're going to do is I want to show you guys the ad-lib track. So I'm going to bring in the ad-libs like he just recorded them. Now I'm going to play that out.
For me in the daytime, like a belt, cause I keep it on my waistline. I really had to take his life, he tried to take mine. They say that.
Cool. Now all I'm going to do is take this ad-lib track and bring it down to the ad-libs. Let's see.
Keep it on my waistline. I really had to take his life, he tried to take mine. They say the hustle always outweigh the shine. That's why I'm always in the game. You niggas riding pine. And me, you want to bitch and you don't get.
Dope. Big difference. Now that we have our beat, our verse, and our ad-libs here, and we have a good level of everything, now we're going to want to activate those master plugins and really see what it sounds like.
Keep it on my waistline. I really had to take his life, he tried to take mine. They say the hustle always outweigh the.
Dope. So you guys can hear what the master does. It really brings it all out, brings it up to the front. To adjust that, you guys just would go over here to this maximizer, the L1 maximizer, and you guys can either bring it up. Like, let's say it's like too loud and it's distorting. It's just super loud and everything. You guys can bring this up so it's less of a threshold.
Keep it on my waistline. I really had to take his life, he tried to take mine. They say the hustle.
Or let's say you want your track a little bit more heavy hitting, you know what I'm saying? You would just bring it down.
Always outweigh the shine. That's why I'm always in the game. You niggas riding pine. And me, you want to bitch and you don't get no PT. But them to take me out the game, they gotta kill me. The real me. I'm just giving you the.
There we go. All right, awesome. So that concludes our tutorial for the free Logic Pro X clear vocal presets compatible with the Waves Gold bundle. I hope you guys learned something today and you guys are able to utilize these presets to its full potential. Again, if you guys could like, comment, and subscribe, that will help me out a lot so I can help you guys out a lot.